today's video, I'll be recreating Shraddha Kapoor's makeup look, which looks flattering on everyone, and that is a smoky eye makeup look. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and also press the bell icon to get your notifications whenever I post a new video. Let me begin with the products I'm using. All the products are from MyGlam and I have linked them in the description below so you can check them out. Don't forget to like the video and share it with all your friends. Also, let me know in the comments down below which celebrity look do you want me to recreate in my next video. This was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you already know what you have to do. Like, comment and share the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.